Hey, what's up you guys? Jonathan Matoa here with Passive Income Lifestyles. And in this video, I'm going to share with you 8 affiliate marketing programs that pay monthly reoccurring passive income every single month. And every single one of these programs I'm going to show you today, I'm actually promoting and I'm making money every single month with these programs. Now, if you're not familiar with affiliate marketing, it's very simple, guys. All you're doing is selling somebody else's product and you're getting a commission. You're basically showing people how to use these products, and then you give them an affiliate link, your special link, and if they click that link and they buy, you get a commission. I'm going to show you exactly how this works in this video today. Now, affiliate marketing has totally changed my life. I was able to go from a job that I hated, an electrical engineering job that I just could not stand, and I was able to go from 0 to 6 figures in 9 months with affiliate marketing. So it's a very powerful concept, very powerful business model, and I want to show you exactly how you can get started with affiliate marketing today. Now, the first monthly reoccurring program that I promote is ClickFunnels. This is a program I use in my business. Basically, if you don't know what it is, it's a tool that allows people to build landing pages, build funnels, basically automates your whole sales process. So as an affiliate marketer, I try to promote products that I use myself. Basically, every single product that I promote, I actually use. So this product I use myself to build my landing pages, to build leads to my business. So as you can see here, you get it's $97 a month to have ClickFunnels, or up to, $2,500 a month. Now, as you're promoting ClickFunnels, you actually get 40% commission every single month. So you can see the power of promoting something like this, right? And anything that has to do with business or helping businesses grow, you can make a ton of money in that niche, right? So that's why I chose the make money online niche or the business niche, because there's a lot of money to be made. A lot of businesses want to make more money. They want to automate their system. They want to make their business better. So ClickFunnels is the first one I recommend to promote. So you can see here, I've made a little over $12,000. Now, a lot of this is something that I set up a long time ago and I don't even promote actively. I'm going to show you how I promote ClickFunnels and how I've made a ton of money just by doing something very, very passive, okay? Now, let me just show you, there's a ton of products inside of here, but this is the one I promote the most, is the actual product itself, right? So I like the product because it's $100 a month, but I get 40% of that commission, or of that sale, every single month, right? So if, let's just say 100 people are paying $100 a month, I get 40% of that commission. So you can see the power of this. And when people are using ClickFunnels, they basically use it for life inside of their business. I know for me, I'll probably never switch to another funnel builder, and I'll use ClickFunnels for life. So whoever, got me into using ClickFunnels is making 40% of me every single month. Okay. So that's why I love ClickFunnels. And for some reason, this is not showing up here, but right now I make about $1,200 every single month on autopilot, right? And that's because I set up my system to promote ClickFunnels. Now, let me just show you real quick how I promote this. And this is by creating content on how to use the product, right? So you can see here, when people go to YouTube and they type in how to use ClickFunnels step by step, right? I'm like the 4th video here. It's a 40-minute video showing people how to use ClickFunnels. Now, within this video, I'm telling them, hey guys, if you want to start with ClickFunnels, there's a link down below, right? So if I click this video here, and this is a video I made, you can see about almost a year ago, okay? And I mean, not a ton of views, only 4,000, but you don't need a ton of views for something like this, right? This is a very targeted niche, and people are specifically going to this video to learn how to use the product. Now you can see here how I'm promoting it, right? So if I go in here, I'm giving them a free trial here, and then I give them a support group inside my Facebook group. Plus, I give them a free ClickFunnels course and pre-built funnels. So you can see I'm giving them everything they need to be able to use the software. And that's how I've been able to promote this. Now, again, I don't actively promote ClickFunnels. This is just a video I created a while back. And now this is paying me passively because how I create this content on YouTube. Okay, so that's the first one, guys. Second one is one that a lot of businesses need, is a website, right? Everybody needs a website, especially, even brick and mortar businesses. So there's a ton of people looking to create websites. So Bluehost allows you to create a website. So this is one of the programs I promote. And again, I don't promote this actively. This is just something I use inside my business. So I also promote it as well. Now, I've done probably a little over $1,600, you can see here, promoting Bluehost. But the way I promote this is by, again, teaching people how to use the software. And this is basically how I promote any software. Anything I promote is I teach somebody how to use this. Now, you can do it again with the YouTube channel. You can do something like how to create a website and then have Bluehost in there. But what I did is something a little different, okay? I actually created a step-by-step guide on how to create an affiliate marketing business. Now, if you break this down, you can see here that in step number 2, I actually have a tool here which allows them to create a website on Bluehost. As you can see here, watch, check this out. Powered by Bluehost. So when somebody goes here and they enter the domain, basically, and they buy, I get that money for Bluehost, okay? So you can see the power of this, okay? And you can see sign up for web hosting and start building your website. But I'm teaching them how to do it. I'm not just saying, hey, you need this. I'm actually teaching them how they can do it. And they're going to use my affiliate link because I've been able to build up this content. So the crazy thing about this is I've been able to build a 6-figure business and able to leave my job with just free content, guys. Okay. And this is how you can do this as well. All you got to do is start a YouTube channel, start a blog. It's really not that hard to, create content on these products. All right. So that's number 2. Number 3 is get response. And this is one of my favorites because every business needs a way to collect emails, needs to build an email list. So get response actually pays, you can do 2 things, okay? So you can either do the affiliate bounty program here, or you can do the affiliate reoccurring program. Now, you got to choose wisely here, okay? But once you choose, I don't think you can go back. But basically, once you get people into get response, you can either have them give you $100 for every sale, or you can have them pay you 33% every single month. Now, obviously, there's a lot more money here when you get started. But the thing is, when someone chooses an autoresponder, they're going to stay on that autoresponder for life. So if you really want to think of this as a long-term revenue source, you want to choose the 33%, because if somebody, stays on this forever, which they probably will, you're going to get that 33% every single month for the rest of your life. So you can see the power of this. Okay. Now, this is what I recommend here. And again, how do I promote this? Well, again, I teach people how to create an email list, how to use get response. So in return, they're going to use my affiliate link in that case, okay? And I use get response in my business, so it's very easy for me to promote it. Now, for any product you promote, I recommend that you use the product and that you've thoroughly gone through it and that use it yourself, because it's just so much easier to use the product, okay? Now, the next tool or the next program to promote is aweber. Now, I've used aweber in the past, and I actually switched to get response, but I still promote it, and it's a great program. For an affiliate marketer, I like get response better, and that's why I have those in all my links. So if you see in any of my YouTube videos, in the description, I promote get response as my number 1. But number 2, I do promote aweber. This is a one that I've used before in the past. And it's a great affiliate marketing program as well. You can see here, reoccurring 30% referrals. So same thing, you're going to get that 30%. And the way I would promote something like get response or aweber is teaching people how to build an email list, right? Target keywords like this on YouTube, and then basically have them go to the affiliate link to get response or aweber. Okay, that's basically the easiest way you can start building content on this. All right, so very, very simple. Now, another thing I want to show you guys is in this guide that I created, not only am I promoting just Bluehost, but you can see if I go down, let me see if I can find it here. I'm actually promoting get response in here somewhere. I need to find it. I have it somewhere in here, but basically I'm promoting the email autoresponder because every business needs an email autoresponder. So in this guide, I'm actually promoting that as well. Okay, so I hope you're getting the gist of this. Is I build content, I make guides, and I make free guides so people can go through them. And they're going to get a ton of value, but then they need the tools to be able to do that thing, right? In this case, I teach them how to build a website for an affiliate marketing business, okay? So, all right, next one is TubeBuddy, and this one is this is a tool I use to be able to rank my YouTube videos at the top. And this is one of the main programs I promote for YouTube tools. Okay, so if you go to YouTube and I say, for example, how to build an email list, I want my video at the top, right? Or for example, how to use ClickFunnels step by step, I want my video close to the top, right? So you can see here, my video here is pretty close to the top, which is what I want, right? So for example, TubeBuddy is a tool I use to be able to get my videos closer to the top. So you can see here, this is the, let me see if I can find it here, right here, yeah, right here. So TubeBuddy is a tool I promote to get my videos ranked on YouTube. Now, the way I promote this is by, again, teaching people how to get on the top of YouTube. So in order to do that, you need a tool like TubeBuddy, right? So this, you can see here, this is exponentially going up because I'm getting a lot of people to use my methods to get their videos at the top. But again, I'm teaching them how to do that with TubeBuddy. So in return, I'm able to get a lot of people in this program. Now, again, this is a monthly reoccurring program. So the more people are in this program, the more money I get in the long term. You can see here, I've had almost 100 people install this program inside of their business. Okay, so eventually they're going to go to the paid program because they know the power of it, and from there I can then get monthly reoccurring commissions. All right, now the next one is a tool I use for ranking my blog post, okay? And this is called SEMrush. Very powerful tool I use in my business, and basically it's kind of similar to TubeBuddy, but for a blog, right? So how do we get our blog at the top of Google? That you can use a tool like SEMrush. Now this one here has a very high paying affiliate program. So let me see if I can find it for you guys. Here we go. So with this one here, you can see earn $200 for everyone that signs up for SEMrush. It is a more expensive program, but if you can get people to use these expensive programs and let them know the power of these programs, businesses don't mind paying for these type of things, right? I use every single one of these programs that I'm talking about today, and I spend a lot of money, every single month on these programs because I know the power of what they can do for my business, okay? So that's the next one. The last one I want to talk about is Freedom Breakthrough. Now, this is an affiliate program that I recommend for somebody else. This is actually my program, but if you're looking to make a high ticket commission, this is something that I highly recommend because you're going to get 50% at a $1,000 product. Now, this is a high ticket product that you can promote. It's basically a beginning to end affiliate marketing course on how you can get started with affiliate marketing. Now you can see here, I give everything they need to be able to sell this program, right? I give them graphics, I give them email swipes, I give them videos, everything that they need to be able to promote this program. Now, if people want to go to this, I'm going to actually leave a link to this down below. If they want to promote something like like my Freedom Breakthrough course, you guys can go through and see exactly what we offer. We have 4 super affiliates inside the course, along with me, plus a ton of modules, a ton of content on how to build a 6-figure business with affiliate marketing. So anyways, guys, those are the top 8 affiliate marketing programs to make reoccurring monthly commissions. I hope this video was of value to you guys. If you guys have any questions at all on how to start affiliate marketing, how to build a 6-figure business, I'm going to leave a link down below to how you can do that and my whole system. And we're going to walk you through step by step and get you started as well. So let me know if you guys have any questions. Subscribe to the channel, like this video, comment, and we'll see you guys soon. God bless.